Welcome to my another video. Here I'm gonna show you how to change app name or a launcher name. You have to open the main directory app and then resources and value, and in this string you have to change this. Here I'm changing MobDevSs. This will change your launcher name, and anywhere on this app app name will be changed. Now we have to run. Now you can see here is the MobDevSs and your app name will change. Thank you for watching. In my another video, next video I will show you how to change launcher icon as well. Stay tuned. Thanks.